Google Veo 2 isn't just generating videos, it's orchestrating them with jaw-dropping precision. This is AI taken to the next level, seamlessly crafting visuals and narratives that feel like they came from a human director. Compared to competitors like OpenAI's Sora, Veo 2's innovations make it a standout, setting a new standard for what AI can do in media creation. Naturally, this has sparked a wave of excitement and heated debates online. Reddit threads in communities like r Singularity and r Technology are lighting up, with some calling it revolutionary and others warning of its risk. Google Veo 2 marks a groundbreaking advancement in AI-driven video generation, leveraging DeepMind's cutting-edge machine learning architecture. Unlike traditional systems that laboriously construct videos frame by frame, Veo 2 takes a holistic approach. It predicts how objects move, interact, and evolve over time, creating videos that flow naturally and feel truly alive. A standout feature of Veo 2 is its deep understanding of motion dynamics and narrative context. Picture a scene where a car speeds through a rainy city. Veo 2 ensures every detail is realistic. Raindrops bouncing off the windshield, ripples forming in puddles, and the car's motion seamlessly synchronized with the environment. What truly sets Veo 2 apart is its contextual intelligence. This game-changing capability allows the AI to adapt in real time, fine-tuning videos based on user input or external cues. Imagine an educator designing a biology lesson, and Veo 2 instantly generating visuals tailored to the class's focus, or a game designer adjusting a landscape on the fly to match player preferences. By seamlessly combining narrative comprehension, motion prediction, and real-time adaptability, Google Veo 2 establishes a new benchmark for generative video AI, empowering creators across industries to bring their visions to life with unprecedented ease and precision. Google Veo 2's groundbreaking capabilities stem from its innovative architecture, designed to deliver unmatched precision and scalability in video generation. At the heart of Veo 2 is its scalable neural pathway framework, a flexible system capable of adapting to a wide range of projects. Whether generating a simple animation or crafting a multi-layered cinematic sequence, Veo 2 adjusts seamlessly to meet the complexity of the task. The backbone of Veo 2's performance is its dual transformer pipeline, consisting of two key components. Semantic Context Transformer understands the relationships between objects and their roles in a scene, ensuring that interactions feel logical and purposeful. Motion Dynamics Transformer predicts how objects move and interact over time. This ensures that generated videos not only look stunning, but also feel coherent. For example, a kite swaying in the wind will move naturally in response to the tension in its string and the changing gusts around it. Taking this further, Veo 2 employs enhanced diffusion models, which act as dynamic maps that track how light, motion, and environmental elements evolve over time. Picture a drone flying through a canyon. Veo 2 ensures that shadows lengthen, reflections adjust, and even echoes shift as the drone weaves between cliffs. These models enable the AI to create scenes where every detail evolves naturally, enhancing realism. Veo 2's success is backed by Google's massive datasets, which are 10 times larger than those used for its predecessor. The training process leverages specialized tensor processing units, TPUs, optimized for multi-frame processing. This powerful infrastructure allows Veo 2 to handle diverse scenarios efficiently, delivering high-quality results at speed. A standout feature of Veo 2 is its solution to the choppy video problem that hindered earlier systems. Using a spatial temporal lattice, Veo 2 ensures seamless motion and transitions across frames. For instance, a bird flying across a park will have perfectly aligned shadows, reflections, and lighting changes, resulting in a video that feels effortlessly smooth and natural. By combining these innovations, Veo 2 raises the bar for what's possible in generative video AI. The rivalry between Google Veo 2 and OpenAI Sora showcases two different approaches to generative video. Veo 2 is the go-to for high-quality cinematic visuals. Its strength lies in multi-scene contextual generation, making it ideal for filmmakers, educators, and corporate users who prioritize polished, professional-grade content. Sora, on the other hand, excels in real-time adaptability. This makes it a favorite in gaming and VR, where users can describe a scene or setting and watch the AI bring it to life instantly. Imagine a dungeon crawler game where players dictate the environment and Sora dynamically generates it in real time. This difference has sparked debates on Reddit forums like r singularity. One user noted, VO2's ability to handle massive datasets makes it unbeatable for quality, but Sora's adaptability feels like the future for user-driven media. Both tools face challenges. VO2's reliance on vast datasets raises questions about data privacy and sourcing, while Sora's real-time capabilities carry risks of misuse, such as generating inappropriate or harmful content on the fly. Each platform's success depends on navigating these hurdles responsibly. Google VO2 is set to revolutionize industries, offering transformative applications across film, education, gaming, and corporate workflows. VO2 empowers filmmakers to create entire scenes on demand, drastically reducing CGI costs and accelerating production timelines. For instance, a director can instantly generate a sprawling post-apocalyptic cityscape and experiment with various camera angles, lighting, and textures without waiting for lengthy rendering processes. This opens up new possibilities for creativity and iteration in filmmaking. Educators can harness VO2 to produce dynamic, real-time visuals tailored to their lessons. Imagine a biology class where students witness cell division animated on the spot, or a history lesson enriched with historically accurate, AI-generated scenes. By making complex topics more visual and interactive, VO2 has the potential to enhance engagement and learning outcomes across classrooms. In gaming, VO2's ability to generate procedurally crafted cinematics offers players a truly personalized experience. Every cutscene can be uniquely tailored to the player's choices, creating immersive storytelling that evolves dynamically. Whether it's designing a magical forest or a dystopian battlefield, VO2 can craft visuals that align with the player's journey. Within Google's ecosystem, VO2 could seamlessly integrate with platforms like YouTube, enabling content creators to generate high-quality video concepts from simple prompts. Beyond entertainment, VO2 could transform marketing, training, and advertising by automating repetitive video production tasks, making professional-grade content accessible to smaller teams and businesses. However, these advancements raise critical ethical questions. How will Google ensure transparency in data use? What safeguards will be in place to prevent misuse, such as deepfakes or misinformation? These concerns have been a hot topic on Reddit, with users emphasizing the importance of thoughtful governance and accountability in deploying such powerful technology. By balancing innovation with responsibility, VO2 has the potential to shape the future of creative industries, while addressing the ethical challenges it introduces. Google VO2 marks a transformative moment in AI, with its potential to revolutionize industries like film, gaming, and education. Its groundbreaking capabilities push the boundaries of creativity, but they also raise critical ethical questions. How we manage its power will determine whether it becomes a catalyst for innovation or a source of unforeseen challenges. What's your take? Is VO2 the future of limitless creativity, or a tool that demands caution? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more deep dives into the exciting and sometimes uncertain future of AI.